Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a small but absolutely essential item for anyone who uses a Dunlop Cry baby wah pedal. You know the problem. Over time, those little rubber feet on the bottom of your pedal can wear down, get lost, or just become less effective. When that happens, your pedal starts sliding all over the floor or your pedal board, which is incredibly annoying and can even be distracting during a performance. That's where these come in. This is a set of 4 replacement rubber feet specifically designed for Dunlop Cry baby pedals, and they come complete with the necessary screws. The product information tells us these feet have a diameter of 19 millimeters and a height of 8 millimeters. These dimensions are crucial because they ensure a proper fit and the correct height for your pedal, keeping it level and stable. They are, as you'd expect, black in color, matching the original look of most Cry baby pedals. The package includes exactly what you need: the 4 rubber feet and the 4 screws to attach them. Replacing the old feet is usually a very straightforward process. You typically just need a small screwdriver to remove any remnants of the old feet and screws, and then screw these new ones into place. It's a quick fix that makes a huge difference in the usability of your pedal. Having solid, grippy feet on your wah pedal is vital. It prevents the pedal from moving around while you're trying to express yourself with those classic wah sounds. It also helps protect the surface underneath your pedal, whether that's a wooden floor, carpet, or the finish of your pedal board. While the product listing mentions compatibility with electric guitars and musical instruments in general, their primary and intended use is clearly for the iconic Dunlop Cry baby wah pedal. If you own one of these pedals and the feet are looking tired, or if you've lost one or more, this replacement set is a must-have. It's a simple, inexpensive way to restore your pedal to its original stable condition. It ensures your pedal stays exactly where you put it, allowing you to focus on playing rather than chasing your wah pedal across the stage. This small pack provides everything needed to get your Cry baby firmly planted again. It's a practical solution to a common problem faced by many Cry baby users. The included screws mean you don't have to hunt around for the right size hardware. Everything is right there in the package, ready for a quick installation. So, if your Dunlop Cry baby is doing the slide, these replacement feet are the perfect fix.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.